Shenzhen Unicorn Lighting, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of LED high bay light, LED floodlight, LED tri-proof light, LED high mast, and LED explosion-proof light. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Our company employs more than 80 workers. Through the efforts of our entire staff, we have continuously tried to improve product quality, technical improvement. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipments. Our annual production capability is 50,000 pieces LED lighting products per month. We have obtained UL, FCC, DLC, TUV, CB, SAA, CTIC, ATEX, CE, ROSE, DMARC, LM79, TM21 certificates. We got Design Patent, Practical Patent, and Europe Design Patent for our products. We have already exported to America, Germany, France, Spain, Australia, Italy, and 28 other countries and regions. Our company has always focused on research, development, and innovation, and we launch 6 new products every year, and both are leading the segment market. We also provide Dialux simulation service for free. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction.